Hikerj here. This week I'm going to be talking about my favorite everyday carry. That is a keychain. It is a Swiss Army knife keychain. Now I'm sure you're like, oh, big whoop, whatever. But if you stick with me and listen to this, it'll probably become one of your favorite things that you have in your pocket or your purse or what that might be. Because this is one of the most usable items that I've ever carried in my life. I've carried one for over 25 years. I know what I'm talking about. Now, before we get deep into it, if this is the first time on my channel, if you'd hit subscribe, that would be awesome. Would love to have you along the ride. Every Thursday, new videos on outdoor gear and such. And of course, all the links to the products I talk about are always down in my description. Now let's get into it. This is what some people will call a Swiss Army knife. It's actually the Victorinox company that makes these, and this is called the Classic SD knife. It has 7 different functions: knife, scissor, all those types of things. But the fact of the matter is that this is the knife that you don't realize you really need in your life. I have given this to people for gifts. 2 years ago, I gave these knives to 5 colleagues at work, women and men, and I said, and they were kind of like, oh, for Christmas, this is kind of lame. But I said, use it. Put it on your keychain, put it in your purse, whatever, and then use it. So a month later, I checked in with all of them, and they were like, oh man, I use this thing every single day. It has so much function in the world because we're always, you don't realize it, but you're looking for something to open up your Amazon package or envelope or whatever it may be, or cut a thread and that type of stuff. And having this just on a keychain, just like this, is amazing. It helps so much. So what does it have on it? It basically has your knife. I kind of keep mine, I used to sharpen it all the time, but I keep it pretty dull now because when I had little kids, they would grab it and I didn't want it super sharp. But these bad boys can get really sharp. It has the screw head and file option right here. I use this to pry a lot, to pop things out and do that type of stuff. And then on the end, this is the cool part, it has a toothpick, which is kind of nasty when you think about it, but I use it to like pick or move, do different things, not my teeth. Because I've actually had this one on my keychain for like 8 years. And that's the thing too, they are durable, they last forever. And on this side, full-on tweezers, that's right. And that's pretty awesome. You can use that for a lot of different things. But here is my favorite thing of all on this knife, and that is these cute little scissors. It has this little spring, metal spring here, so it helps it come back and you can use it one-thumbed, just like that. This thing gets used daily. I am not exaggerating. If you get one of these, you will use this on a daily basis. I challenge you to get one of these bad boys. The link is down below in my description, and to my Amazon affiliate. And if you put one of these on a keychain or in your purse for a week, I bet you will use it for sure at least 5 times. It is the most useful item. I know it seems like lame or it's a little tiny thing, but it's so useful. And I have multiple of these. Like I keep one in my camera bag, just so I've got it at all times. And they make them in all different types of color. This one's a red one. Obviously I carry the black one. They have a lot of cool limited edition ones. I'm gonna getting the New York City cityscape on one of them, and there's just all different types of colors and options and things. You can check the link down below. So I have carried one of these for over 25 years, almost 30 years. My dad used to give these as gifts to all of his guys that he worked with at the shop, and he would buy like 20 or 30 of these every season and give them out because he just knew how useful they were. And I've sort of taken it for granted until I'm like pass my keys to somebody and they're like, oh, that's cool, man, a scissors? No way. And then I tell people to get them, and when they do get them, they're like, how did I ever live without this? So I challenge you, get yourself a Swiss Army knife, Classic SD, and use it. Put it on your keychain for at least a week or something. I guarantee you will use it at least 5, maybe 10 times that week. So hopefully you like this video. I know it's a short one, pretty simple, but this is my favorite everyday carry. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy with a mini Swiss Army knife. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, if you hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. I put out new videos every Thursday around outdoor gear. And if you'd like to support me, you can check out my merchandise. I have my Hike Happy shirt on here at my store. You can click that down below and check out the other apparel that I have. Till next Thursday, just go ahead and watch some of my other videos.